The F-150 is a great truck right from the factory, but with heavy loads, the rear end can sag and squat, making it unstable. So today we're going to install this Timbren rear suspension kit on our 2016 F-150 to make it a lot more capable. This is Timbren's rear SES suspension upgrade kit for the 2015-18 F-150. Let attached to the frame with black powder coated steel brackets to prevent sagging and squatting with heavy loads. They'll make for a more comfortable and controlled towing experience and can handle up to 6,000 pounds. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: a 3/8 ratchet, short 17mm socket, a deep 15mm socket, a 13mm socket, a short extension, and a 17mm wrench. So you actually don't need a lift to do this install. It's actually really simple, but we're going to have our truck up in the air. We're at the rear axle underneath the truck. The first thing we're going to do is remove this factory bump stop. Grab a 13mm socket with a short extension, stick it up in there, and remove the bolt. And out she comes. This kit comes with two brackets. One's going to be marked left for the driver's side, and the other one will not be marked. Grab the one that's not marked, place a bolt through it, the shorter bolt that comes with the kit, and then install this onto the passenger side frame with these little brackets on the inside of the frame. Get this bolt as tight as you can by hand, and then you can use a 17mm wrench. Place the longer bolt through the rubber spring, then install the rubber spacer and thread this into the bracket. Install the bottom support bracket onto the axle. When you install this, make sure you're not pinching any of the hoses or lines. Slide it all the way up against the block. Assemble the bottom of the bracket. Get both nuts and washers installed and tighten it down. Torque these to 30 foot-pounds, then we can move on to the other side. Once you get these nuts torqued, your installation is finished. Once you add a trailer to the truck or load to the bed, the rubber spring will come down and make contact with the bracket, absorbing all the weight, preventing your truck from squatting and sagging and making it handle a whole lot better. Okay, we got our Timbren rear suspension kit installed in our 2016 F-150. This is definitely one of the easiest things that you'll do to this truck. I tried to make this install take as long as possible, and it still was only like 30 minutes. Now it's going to be towing like a champ. So I'd say give yourself 15 to 30 minutes to do this install, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, check out this playlist.